idea, and I saw this image on Pinterest and I thought that's really bloody pretty, and I feel like it could be easy enough to do for like a last minute sort of Halloween look when you sort of want to be pretty but you sort of want to be a little bit creepy, you know what I'm saying? So I thought, let me try and film a tutorial. Like guys, I film so many videos and I'm never happy with them. I think it's just all about being comfortable in front of the camera as well. And oh my god, my voice just went really deep. But anyways, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Let's get to it. So I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm just pretty much just winging it. I'm taking my Makeup Forever foundation palette and I'm just dipping this little brush from Sigma. It's their L04 brush. It's their detailed lip brush, which is really amazing with lip art for blending and stuff. But anyways, and I'm dipping it in the sort of darkish sort of shades. And I'm just basically gonna outline where I want, you know, the socket of my eyes and my nose and like this part. Anyways, let's do this. I was gonna cover my brows, but I'm a bit lazy, to be completely honest. Sigma F60 foundation brush, and I'm going to dip it into my Makeup Forever Color White. Also going to draw in my teeth guidelines, just so when I fill it in with white later, I know roughly where I want the teeth to be. I'm going to now use the RCMA No Color powder. I don't know where my powder puff is, but I'm just going to use that sponge and just powder down where that white is. I'm using this eyeliner brush. I don't know what brand it is, but it's pretty thin. And I'm going to take my Mayron Makeup Paradise Makeup AQ. It's water activated. I'm going to take it in black and I'm just going to wet my brush. And I'm basically just going to start doing my teeth. I feel like this has been used. No, am I paranoid? I think I'm paranoid. Okay. Oh my god, I'm paranoid. Has this been used? No, they wouldn't sell it. It's just like a bit streaky. None of my others are like that. Do you think this has been used? No, it should be okay. I did the outlines of the teeth, but I'm not happy with them, so I'm just going to be creating a new outline for them. think that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna fill in the eyes now, just doing the same process. Now that my skull base is pretty much done, I'm going to be adding pops of colour to it, like my inspo image to give it that watercolour feel. I'll also provide you guys with a product list down below. Using the Mayron Makeup Paradise Makeup AQ, and I'm using the shade Purple. For my colour placement, I'm just going off the inspo image. I feel like there's no wrong way to do this, to be honest. I'm just wanting it to look messy, and at the same time I want the colours to blend nicely. I decided I'm just gonna see where this part ends. My teeth should end, so just wiping this clean. Much better. That just made such a huge difference. Don't you think it looks more like skeleton-like? So basically now I'm just going to keep adding to my face different colors. I want it to look a bit more messy, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to add different lines to my face and just go from there. So I feel like there's not really any wrong way to do this. I'm just going off the image and just creating a sort of colourful mess on my face. So on the inspo image, there are actually watercolor drips on the skull. So I'm trying to recreate those using that Mayron water activated paint. And I'm just going to keep adding water to that color and hopefully it will build up and drip. So I brought these butterflies from Amazon. They're really cheap and I got a whole heap for like, I don't know how much, but I'll put a link. And all different colors. So I had these already. I got them a few months ago. I'm going to use some Ben Nye Spirit Gum to apply these butterflies to my head. I'm going to roughly apply some glitter to my face, just on those watercolor marks, just to give my face something shiny and reflective. Now going to use that same Mayron paint on the tips of my fingers and just going onto my hands a little bit. And then I'm going to use that same technique I've been using where I've just applied bits of colors on my fingers so it looks a bit watercolor-ish. Is that a word? And I'm just going to build up on that and also apply some glitter as well. And that's the end of the tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I actually really like the finished product and I tried so much to get it like the picture, so I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you recreate this look, please share it with me because I'd love to see it. So thank you for watching and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!